You just hired a freelancer, and now you're digging through emails, chasing invoices, wondering who on your team approved what, and why your budget is already off track. That's the moment most growing businesses realize. Hiring talent is easy, managing it isn't. If you're using Fiverr for business or thinking about it, there's a better way to set things up from day one. If you're running a business, you don't just need freelancers, you need structure. You need a shared workspace. You need clear roles, you need clean billing, and you need visibility over every project happening inside your company. That's exactly what Fiverr Pro is built for. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating a Fiverr Pro account from scratch or upgrade an existing one, setting up your workspace, adding your team, and getting everything ready to hire properly without the chaos. Let's start from the very first click. All right, step 1, open your browser and go to the official Fiverr Pro page so you can follow along. It's also placed in the description of this video. On the homepage, you'll see either Upgrade to Fiverr Pro if you're logged in, or Join in the top right corner. Now you have two options. If you already use Fiverr personally and want to keep your order history, save freelancers and activity, upgrade that account. If you prefer separating business from personal work, log out and create a brand new account with your business email. Both approaches work. It depends on how clean you want your accounting and workflow. Step 2, sign up by clicking Join. You'll see multiple sign-in options. Continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or sign up with email. For most businesses, I recommend using a company email. Enter your email and create a password. It must include at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, then click Continue. Step 3, build your business profile. Next, Fiverr will ask you to complete your profile. You'll enter your first name, last name, your Fiverr Pro username. Choose your username carefully. It cannot be changed later. Then you'll add business details, number of employees, your role in the company. This helps Fiverr understand the type of workspace you're building. Click Continue. Step 4, verify your email. Fiverr will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, paste it into the confirmation field. Once verified, you'll land inside your Fiverr Pro dashboard. And now your company workspace officially exists. Once your account is verified, you land on your Fiverr Pro dashboard. This is the central workspace where you and your team will manage everything. At the top right, you'll see several important icons. The heart icon shows freelancers you've saved. The bell icon shows notifications. The envelope icon opens your messages. The question mark gives quick access to help. You'll also see your Pro Rewards points and your account balance, which help you track spending and rewards as you start placing orders. Now click your profile icon in the top right corner. This opens the main menu. Here are the key sections you'll use most. Post a brief. This is located on the top left of the dashboard. Click it to describe a project. You can write the brief manually or use Fiverr's built-in AI tool to help generate a clear and professional description. Freelance Network. This section shows freelancers or agencies you have hired, recently viewed, or saved to custom lists. Over time, this becomes your internal talent pool. Orders. This is where you track all orders placed by you or anyone in your company account. You can monitor progress, communicate with freelancers, upload files, and review deliveries. Briefs. Here you can review and manage every project brief you've created. Projects. You can create or manage projects and keep them private or share them only with invited members. This helps organize related work into structured workspaces. Account plan. This shows your current plan, either essential or advanced, and allows you to upgrade if needed. Administration. This is where you control business details, update billing information, view invoices, manage payment methods, and invite team members. Administration is especially important because this is where you turn a simple account into a structured company workspace. Next, let me show you the section to add your team and assign roles. Go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Administration. Inside Administration, click on Account Members. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your company's Fiverr Pro workspace. To invite someone, click Invite Members. Enter their email address. You can also include a short welcome message if you'd like, but it's optional. Once you send the invitation, your teammate will receive an email with a link to join your company account. Now let's talk about roles. Fiverr Pro provides two main roles. The first is billing manager. This person manages payment methods, adds funds, handles invoices, and oversees company spending. The second role is member. Members can create projects, post briefs, and place orders, but they don't manage billing unless you assign that role. You can change someone's role at any time from the same account members page. And if a teammate no longer needs access, you can remove them with a single click. Once your team is added, everyone sees the same company dashboard, project briefs, saved freelancers, and order history. This eliminates back and forth emails and keeps everything centralized inside one workspace. Next, let me show where to set up payments so your team can start ordering without delays. Go back to your profile icon in the top right corner and click Administration. Inside the Administration panel, select Billing and Payments. Then click on Payment Methods. This is where you connect your company's payment source. You can add a credit card, a debit card, or link a PayPal account. Enter the required details and save the payment method. Now, here's something important. Fiverr Pro requires a minimum deposit of $1,000 to activate company funds. You can choose your preferred currency during the process. Once funds are deposited, your team can place orders using the shared company balance instead of individual cards. This keeps everything centralized and easier to track. If your company has a finance or accounting person, this is where assigning a billing manager becomes useful. The billing manager can add or remove payment methods, deposit funds, review transactions, download invoices. Speaking of invoices, still inside billing and payments, you can check your current balance, review past transactions, download PDF invoices for bookkeeping or tax records. Once your payment method is added and funds are available, your workspace is fully operational. Now you're ready to start posting projects and hiring freelancers. Now to post your first project and start working with freelancers, go to the top left of your dashboard and click Post a Brief. A window will open where you can describe your project. You have two options here. You can write the project brief yourself, outlining the goal of the project, the scope of work, deadlines, budget range, brand guidelines, examples of what you're looking for. Or you can use Fiverr's built-in AI tool to help generate a structured brief based on a short description. If you're working with a team, this is where clarity matters most. The more detailed your brief, the fewer revisions you'll deal with later. Once you submit the brief, Fiverr Pro's sourcing experts review it and match you with vetted freelancers. You can also search manually. Use the search bar at the top and enter the service you need. After selecting a category, enable the Pro Catalog filter. This ensures you're viewing only vetted Pro freelancers. If you want to browse beyond Pro talent, you can switch to the full catalog. There's also an option to filter by hourly rate if your project will be billed by the hour instead of a fixed package. When you find a freelancer you like, open their profile, review their portfolio, ratings and reviews, pricing structure, delivery timelines. If they look promising, click the heart icon to save them to a list. You can create custom lists and keep them private if needed. This is useful for building shortlists for different departments or project types. When you're ready to hire, select the service package or request a custom offer. Confirm the scope, price, and timeline. Then complete the order using your company funds. After the order is placed, go to the order section. Here you can track progress, message the freelancer, upload files, review deliveries, approve work. Everything stays organized inside the company workspace. Next, let's quickly understand the Fiverr Pro plans and the business rewards program so you know what you're working with long term. Every new Fiverr Pro account starts on the Essential plan. The Essential plan is free, as long as your company spends at least $1,000 per year on orders. For most small to mid-sized teams, this plan is more than enough. It includes unlimited team members, shared payment methods, access to vetted pro freelancers, centralized order tracking. If your business needs more advanced support, there's also the Advanced plan, which costs $129 per month. The Advanced plan is designed for larger organizations and includes additional features such as a private freelance network, a dedicated business success manager, legal document management. One included background check and worker classification per month, plus a discount on additional checks. You can upgrade at any time from the account plan section inside your dashboard. Now let's talk about the Pro Business Rewards program. Every Fiverr Pro account is automatically enrolled. You start at the Silver tier and move to Gold tier after spending $1,000 on orders. You earn points for specific actions such as posting a project brief and completing your first qualifying order, hiring freelancers on an hourly basis, inviting teammates to your account. Points can be redeemed for Fiverr credits, gift cards, or charitable donations. It's essentially a way to offset some of your business expenses over time. Now let's wrap this up and make sure you're clear on what you've just set up. A quick recap on what you've done. You created your Fiverr Pro account, you completed your business profile and verified your email. You explored the dashboard so you understand where everything lives. You invited your team and assigned the right roles. You set up billing, added a payment method, and funded your account. And you posted your first project brief so you can start working with vetted freelancers immediately. At this point, your Fiverr Pro workspace is fully operational. From here forward, the key is simple. Create detailed briefs, keep communication inside the platform, use milestones for larger projects, and regularly review invoices and spending inside the billing section. If you're a startup founder, marketing lead, operations manager, or part of a growing company, Fiverr Pro gives you a centralized way to hire, manage, and scale freelance talent without chaos. If you want to get started, you can find the Fiverr Pro link in the description below. And if you'd like a deeper breakdown of how Fiverr Pro compares to Fiverr Business and what changed, check out the next video linked on screen. That's it for this walkthrough.